Hey guys, coming to you here from Royalton Antigua. Just want to give you an idea of what the beach looks like when you get here. What I can say, because we're on the Caribbean Sea, is no need to worry about seaweed. So let's take a look. Lots of chairs, lots of cushions, lots of umbrellas. We're here in June 2025. These are the overwater bungalows. So two-person occupancy. And it's more like a honeymoon suite. But look at this beautiful beach. Oh, we got some dark clouds moving in. I will say, if you like snorkeling, there's lots of fish right in this area. Waist deep, you don't have to go much more than that. I will say I snorkeled every day and definitely saw lots of beautiful fish. I saw 3 stingrays that I swam with, which was incredible, as well as I don't know what kind of fish it was, but it was massive. I'm going to piece it together. Hopefully my footage is good. So again, this is our beach. Basically where you see that boat is when it becomes a public beach. You can rent sea-doos here. Up there is the fort, right here. We said we were going to go to it, but have not made it up yet. This blue water, incredible. This is actually a place where boats bring the evening supper cruises, and they actually watch the sunset right in this bay here. I got some footage of it. It's pretty incredible. Now, I know there's a lot of mixed reviews online. I would definitely say it's not a 5-star resort, but a solid 4-star. Food has been good, service has been good, drinks excellent. I mean, some of the things you hear people complaining about online is like they ran out of Prosecco at the pool bar. Like, okay, so walk to the lobby bar. We're on vacation, right? These are small potatoes. But if you guys found this helpful, like and give me a thumbs up. Think about subscribing. I love making travel videos when we go away. So yeah, we'll see you soon on the next beach. Bye.